Okay, so everyone's got this warm up. There's two ways to do it. You can do it algebraically or with nsolve. So remember, when you do menu 3-1, you cannot forget to put comma x at the end. If you don't put comma x, you won't get the answer. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how to solve this the old-fashioned way, algebraically. Okay. Is everyone looking up here? Instead of your phones, other stuff. Okay. Unless you're testing, you can do that. Now, first things first. If you have parentheses, you want to distribute. So that 3 is going to distribute 3 times x, 3 times -6. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times -6 is -18 or -18. Bring down -5 plus. Bring down equals -2x plus 22. All right. Now we have two constants on the left-hand side, -5 and -18. You combine like terms, and -5 minus 18 is -23. Bring down plus 3x equals -2x plus 22. And then we have x on both sides. Now look, when x is on both sides, do we get rid of one or do we combine them? What do y'all think? What? So you combine them when they're on the same side. But when they're on different sides, we want to get rid of one, and we're going to get rid of the smaller x, which is a -2x. What's the opposite of -2x? Yeah, plus 2x. So plus 2x here, plus 2x here. These cancel. I'll bring down -23 plus 5x equals 22. Now, x is on the left side. I want to get rid of the lower on the left side, which is adding 23 to both sides. So plus 23 plus 23. Now, I'm running out of room, so let's rewrite it over here. 5x equals 22 plus 23 is 45. Now, my last step, 5x means 5 times x as a coefficient. What's the opposite of multiplying by 5? What's the opposite of multiplying by 5? Dividing. I know one person in this room knows it. Everyone else. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. When we divide 45 by 5, we get 9. Okay. Now, if you like doing that, that's great. This is what I'd like for you to be able to do. However, you can also use nsolve. Okay, so let me show you. I want you to be able to nsolve. Today's assignment is going to be doing this, so I'd like for you to either do it like this and check it with nsolve, or if you must, you can just do it with nsolve. But here's how we do it. You do a new document. Don't save it. Number 1. Okay, when you're trying to solve an equation, menu is where you always go. And number 1 is nsolve, numerical solve. So now you just have to type in the equation, right? And this can be a little bit easier, right? But make sure you get the negatives and minuses correct. So negative sign 5 plus 3 parentheses x minus sign 6 parentheses equals negative sign 2 x plus sign 22. If you hit it, bottom left, comma, x. And what do we get? The same answer, 9, okay? But that is not exactly what I want you to work on unless you're doing missing words, makeup words, etc. If you get something different, make sure you type it in right with the negatives and the minus sign. Okay? So I'll let you work on that, and I'll let you know if we need to work on some